Laundry services have come a long way in Nigeria, providing thousands of jobs and meeting the needs of millions of Nigerians on a daily basis. Now, these services have been transformed and expanded over the years from the old Mabuga, where traditional methods and tools are used, to the modern practices where innovation has simplified the process. The age-old practice of Mabuga is now facing stiff competition from modern outfits, as Trust TV's Bello Musa reports on the survival of Mabuga in the business industry.
This practice has been around for hundreds of years, meeting the needs of individuals who want their laundry done by professionals. Zaria is home to some of the oldest Mabuga in northern Nigeria. Our forefathers started Mabuga and dyeing of clothes about 400 years ago. They started because then there was no pressing iron. The ancient practice may seem crude and tasking, but practitioners in the industry say there's still a growing demand for the old ways despite the incursion of modernity. Even if clothes are old, if we pressed it here with this wood, it will appear new, and this embroidery design will be shiny and attractive. Although modern practice has taken over a significant portion of the business, Okasha takes pride in the connection between the business and traditional northern culture. White men came, they met our forefathers practicing Mabuga, and later they invented pressing iron. People from Adamawa, Katsina and Jigawa and other states send their clothes here because historically only Zaria and Sokoto do this work. Before now, there are at least 30 Mabuga outfits across Zaria, with only a few in operation now. Cultural festivals have become the lifeline for this business to stay afloat. The current economic climate is also threatening the survival of the age-long business. In a day, we only treat 300 to 400 clothes due to economic situation in the country. But before, we would start work from 5 o'clock in the morning and closed at midnight. With Nigerians' current unemployment rate at 4.1%, Mabuga practitioners are calling for government intervention that will keep the business alive to create employment opportunities for the next generation. Bello Musa, Trust TV News, Kaduna.